10 must-have summer makeup products for a radiant look. In this video, I will showcase and review 10 makeup products that are perfect for achieving a radiant and glamorous summer look. Tinted moisturizer. Opt for a product with SPF for sun protection and a natural, dewy finish. Bronzer. Choose a bronzer to add warmth and a sun-kissed glow to your complexion. Highlighter. Pick a highlighter to accentuate your cheekbones. Brow cream blush. Cream blushes provide a fresh, healthy flush of color that's perfect for summer. Waterproof mascara. Ensure your lashes stay long and voluminous even in the heat and eyeshadow palette. Summer is a great time to experiment with warm, bronze, and golden eyeshadow shades. Setting spray. Use a setting spray to lock in your makeup and keep it looking fresh throughout the day. Lip gloss. Opt for a glossy or hydrating lip product with a pop of color. Eyeliner. Consider a waterproof or smudge-proof eyeliner to prevent makeup mishaps on hot days. Setting powder. Apply a light dusting of translucent setting powder to reduce shine and set your makeup without adding heaviness. These products will help you achieve a radiant summer makeup look that's both beautiful and comfortable for warm weather. Remember to choose shades that complement your skin tone and personal style. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.